The BMW Guggenheim lab is really a mixture between an urban think tank, a community center, and a gathering space.
The lab is really hoping to work on inspiring ideas, but also designs for urban life.
The site for the very first lab in New York is in the border between the East Village and the Lower East Side. It's on First Street between First and Second Avenues, right on Houston.
So the idea is that you take a range of people from wildly different disciplines, throw them together and see if they can come up with new ideas, experiments, and solutions for this problem of the city.
We are trying to explore the tension between private comfort and public comfort.
I see the same dynamic that happens locally is the same dynamic that happens globally. We've got neighborhoods that wind up being those places where you can send all the waste, where you can mine all the minerals, and not really have to worry about the impacts on the people. There's no accountability in that system.
It could be the transportation system being efficient. It could be opening your tap and having water there. It could be switching on the lights and seeing light.
So why should the public care about what we're doing? Well, the lab is a way for everyday people to contribute to experiments and learning about the city, and then offer solutions to the city.
What we really see is that this is a space that we really want to have serve as a forum.
And we are inviting people in cities to be our lab partners, essentially.
And actually create visions for the area.
So the solutions coming from the people.
And we're trying to draw these different communities into the project, and that's where at times the building will really turn into a community center.
Our collaboration with BMW is for a total period of 6 years, and for the very first 3 cities that we plan on traveling the lab to, we are really going to get the same architectural structure, which will open in our first city. That same structure will then travel to Europe and will end its journey in Asia. At the end of this project, we will have visited a total of 9 cities all over the world.
The great thing about the BMW Guggenheim Lab is that everything is free to the visitors, and we're open between August 3rd and October 16th in New York.
I would love the outcome of the BMW Guggenheim Lab initiative to be a platform for positive interaction.
All of us have a responsibility to create the kind of cities that we want to live in.